In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Squarespace. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just looking to expand your site's navigation, adding subpages can be a fantastic way to organize your content. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your site, ensure you're logged into Squarespace, and then head over to your website's dashboard. You'll see an option called Website on your main screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is your portal to editing everything about your site, from pages to design. Once inside the website section, you'll see a variety of options, but for our task, locate the Pages tab and click on it. This is where all your site's pages are managed. You will be greeted with a list of your existing pages. What you'll want to do next is highlight the area where you would like to add your subpage. This will typically be under a specific parent page if you have one in mind, but if you're starting fresh, don't worry. You can organize things later. You're now ready to start fresh with a new blank page. Squarespace makes it easy for you with an option called Start with a Blank Page. By clicking this, you're essentially creating a canvas where you can design and name your subpage as you please. After you have your blank page, it's time to give it a name, something that reflects the content or purpose of this new edition. Type in your desired page name in the text box provided. This will be the name that appears in the navigation bar of your site, so make sure it's clear and concise. Next, navigate to the settings icon, which is often marked as Contact Us or a similar prompt. Clicking this opens up a set of options that can help you customize your page further. One of the first tabs you'll see is Navigation. Here you can manage where the subpage will appear on your site, ensuring it's where visitors can easily find it. Squarespace offers several customization features, including SEO settings. By clicking the SEO tab, you can further enhance your page's settings to optimize performance in search engines, ensuring your content is more discoverable. Then there's the Social Image tab. Clicking here, you have the opportunity to set an image that reflects your page when shared on social media platforms. Choose something engaging to capture attention at a glance. Lastly, the advanced settings are available. In this section, you can delve deeper into custom coding or additional configurations that can further tailor your page's functionality to your needs. It's a playground for those who want a little more control outside of basic settings. After you've made all your customizations, give everything a once-over to ensure it's as you intended. Click any remaining highlighted areas to double-check your choices and save your progress, and that's it. You've successfully created a subpage in Squarespace. Keep experimenting and designing to make your site exactly how you envision it. Thanks for watching and happy creating.